World-renowned scientist Albert Einstein once said, "The field is the sole governing agency of the particle." This actually means that there is an invisible field of energy which creates and sustains all the matters in the universe. This is also known as Qi, the life force energy. If we know how to tap into this field of energy, we can create our own reality and we can manifest our dreams. With the help of mirrors, we can do that effectively. Please stay tuned to know more. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Mirrors have now become one of the most used household accessories. They are not merely used to see our own reflections, but used as a widespread decor item in modern rooms. Most of the times, we use our sense of aesthetic when it comes to mirror placement. As you might know, mirrors are excellent feng shui cures and chi enhancers. With the help of mirror, we can invite abundance and prosperity in our life. But did you know that when placed incorrectly, mirrors can cause more harm than good? An incorrectly placed mirror may be the reason for your unnecessary expenses and wealth loss. In this video, we will talk about three very important feng shui applications for mirrors. First application, use mirror to manifest your dreams. We can use mirror as a communication channel to send a message to the universe. Refer the principle of quantum physics between matter and its associated energy field. Here we are talking about the energy field associated with mirror. By placing an object within the energy field of mirror, we can send a message to the universe. Consider mirror as a doorway between real world and the ethereal world. The space in front of the mirror is the real world, where we all are living. The space behind the mirror is the ethereal world with infinite possibilities. By placing an object in front of the mirror, we can send a message to the universe that we want more of that thing in our life. If you are a beginner in feng shui, then this is an ideal feng shui application for you to invite abundance and prosperity in your life. Display mirror next to your dining table so that whenever you are taking meal, all your food and drinks and your positive vibe are getting reflected in the mirror. Then with the help of the field of the mirror, you will be able to send a message to the universe that you want to double up your food, drinks and your positive vibe. Once universe understands your intention, then universe will send you help to attract abundance and prosperity in your life. On the contrary, you need to make sure that whenever you are sitting within the field of the mirror, you are not displaying any negative emotions. Otherwise, you will end up attracting more of negative emotions in your life. Do you have a mirror in your bathroom or toilet? If yes, go and take a look what you are actually reflecting in that mirror. Are you reflecting your toilet in that mirror? If yes, then ask yourself the question, while flushing the toilet, do you keep the toilet lid open or closed? The act of flushing toilet actually represents money in the drain. Therefore, if your toilet is within the field of the mirror and if you are flushing the toilet with the toilet lid open, then you are actually sending a message to the universe to increase your expenses. As a consequence, your expenses will go high and it will be very difficult for you to do savings in your life. The easiest cure for this will be either to remove the mirror or block the view of the mirror or keep the toilet lid closed while you are flushing the toilet. If you have a mirror in your bedroom, then the first thing you should check whether that mirror is reflecting yourself while you are sleeping in the bed. Reflecting yourself in the mirror while you are sleeping in the bed is not a good feng shui at all. This is because if you are sleeping within the field of the mirror, you are actually sending a message to the universe that you want more sleep in your life. As a consequence, throughout the day, you will feel very tired, drained, and you will always think, when can I go to bed for a quick nap? Therefore, the first application of mirror is that always try to reflect those objects or those aspects of your life which you want more in your life. Don't reflect those aspects of your life which you don't want in your life. Let us talk about the second important application of mirror in feng shui. Mirrors can be used for professional career and business growth. If you have a stagnating career or if you are facing obstacles in your business growth, then you can use mirror to invite growth opportunities. In order to do that, first you need to identify the north sector of your house or your business. Come to the center of your house or your business and then try to overlay the Bagua energy map to your floor plan. In one of my past videos, I have explained this in detail with the help of practical examples, how to overlay Bagua energy map to our floor plan. Please follow the link above if you want to know more. The north sector of our house or our business actually represents our life path, the quality of life and professional career growth. Once you have identified the north sector, you need to display a round-shaped mirror in the north wall. By displaying a mirror, you are actually creating a virtual space in the north sector of your house or your business. By creating this virtual space, you are actually pushing the north wall further away. And this very act of creation of virtual space will help you invite growth opportunities in your real life. Mirrors can be used as excellent metal cures in Feng Shui. This is the third application of mirror in Feng Shui. Wherever you need strong metal cure in your house, you may display a round-shaped mirror in that specific palace of your house. Now let me tell you, this specific application of mirror is for advanced Feng Shui practitioners. Because in order to identify the necessity of strong metal cure, you need to apply the principles of Flying Stars Feng Shui, which is also known as Xuan Kong facing. This specific branch of Feng Shui has been in practice since thousands of years by San Yuan school of Feng Shui. Depending on the facing direction and the year of build completion of your house or your apartment, you need to build the natal flying star chart for your house or your apartment. The natal flying star chart is much like the birth chart for your house or your apartment. From a natal flying star chart, we get to know the residual chi distribution within our house or apartment. Once you have created the natal flying star chart, watch out for 5 yellow and 2 black star combination in the natal flying star chart. If you can see this deadly flying star combination, then you are very sure that you need strong metal cure in that specific palace of your house. Then display round shaped mirror in that specific palace of your house to weaken the negative earth chi. If you don't know about your natal flying star chart, please don't worry. Please follow these simple Feng Shui tips instead. The north sector or the north wall of your house is always ideal for mirror placement. The west and the northwest sectors of your house support mirror placement. Therefore, if you have mirror in the west or northwest sector of your house, there is no harm. Mirror in the southwest sector of your house may weaken your personal relationship with your partner or your spouse. Therefore, unless this is justified by the natal flying stars chart, please do not display mirror in the southwest sector of your house. Likewise, please do not display mirror in the northeast sector of your house unless this is justified by the natal flying star chart. Otherwise, this may weaken your thought process and may cloud your judgment. Due to the chi clash, mirror is forbidden in the east, southeast and south sectors of your house. So please do not display mirror in these 3 sectors of your house unless this is justified by the natal flying stars chart. If you have found this video informative and useful, please post your comments below. If you have further queries or if you need further support, please post your questions in the comment section below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up for me. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Infinite Mind Feng Shui and please don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss out any future Feng Shui tips. Stay blessed and I will see you in my next video.